Hey guys, today I'll show you how to fix the code 0 error in Roblox. First hit start, type run, open it and enter %local app data %. It should look like this. Here's update, write this down and find the Roblox folder. Now, completely remove that Roblox folder from local app data. Next, go to add or remove programs, find Roblox and uninstall it by clicking this button. Then, launch any Roblox game through your browser. If that doesn't work, restart your PC and check if the error's gone. That's all, folks.